Other than that, this one's getting close, because once it's painted, it's too late. Wrecked in the front end, pretty wiped out. There is a ton more damage in there. This bumper bar is supposed to be straight.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the...
I have a Chevy Silverado here. This one has damage on the bedside right here, kind of sharp there on the edge. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start working the metal out, get the metal straightened out on this bedside. So right on the edge here, where it's really sharp, my dent puller's not going to get that out. So I'm going to weld a small tab right here and use that to get that sharp point out. So I had one more small spot right here that needs a thin glaze coat. Other than that, this one's getting close. So a good way to look at your work after you block it out, you take wax and grease remover and you go wet it down, and it kind of simulates clear coat, and then you could look down and see if there's any waves or any weird spots in it. This one looks really nice, but that's the best way to really be able to see your work before paint, because once it's painted, it's too late. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a tear down now. This one got dropped off, wrecked in the front end, pretty wiped out. So I'm gonna go ahead and start disassembling this. I'm sure there's a lot of extra damage back behind here we have to find. And then I will get with our estimator and we will start writing up the estimate and figure out what all we need and get parts ordered. You could already tell there is a ton more damage in there. This bumper bar is supposed to be straight, and it's bent almost in half. Well, I got this one all taken apart. This one got hurt pretty bad. It's mostly a lot of parts, a little bit of repair work down here, a little bit of repair work where it pulled the fender. It gets a new bumper, new cooling system, radiator support, headlights. All this pile right here is getting replaced. So now, and I'll go through all of this and we'll get it all written up and get the estimate written up and get the parts ordered.